Hi guys, welcome to another video and welcome to this unboxing video because this box here has been waiting for this video I think for the past 3 weeks. As I have explained in the previous uploaded videos, I couldn't film and so I'm trying to just catch up and show you what I have purchased because yes, I have done quite a lot of a shopping spree, but I am currently reviewing my makeup collection because in here there is makeup again. And I was very happy to just get the items in this box because I have been eyeing them for quite some time. And I finally can say that I have all the looks and colors for those looks that I wanted to create. So these items in here will be finally part of my collection, and once I will be finishing reviewing my collection and everything, I will hopefully be able to do a video and showing you how I organized all my makeup. Before I even open this box, I want to say a couple of things which for me are very important. First of all, this video, as usual, is not sponsored, and what is in here, I have purchased it with my own money. Second, when I do repurchase from a company, it's because I'm very satisfied with the previous order, with the previous products, and with the previous service. So that is why I go back. I have never had any problem with the company that you will be seeing once I open the box because there's the logo, the name, and everything. And third, which is the most important thing I wanted to make clear about haul videos and shopping videos, etc., is that by no means I am trying through these videos to tell you that you have to go out there, purchase all the stuff that I purchased, that you absolutely need to own these things. Nothing of that sort. I like shopping. I have, thank God, because I work and because I have a very good job at the moment, because no one knows what would be happening in the future. That gives me the opportunity to be able to do some shopping and purchase the things that I like. What I show you are not essentials, and it doesn't mean that you have to go out there, spend money, and get what I have got and what I have purchased. Um, Everyone, I think, is an adult that can do informed decisions and basically just purchase and live a lifestyle according to your own means, etc. So please don't take shopping hauls, makeup, and whatever as trying to show off, because that's not me, that's not the case. I just like to show you what I have got because I like just to share with you my opinion about the products, about a brand, etc. So let me open the box and let me show you what I have got. So what I have purchased is from this company here, which is one of my favorites. I think this is the fifth or sixth probably order that I have made with Morphe. I was a bit shaky. I was not sure. I was a bit concerned when I was going to place the first order, but I can assure you that I was very satisfied. By the way, I have checked what's inside the box, taken out the papers, checked the items to see whether there was something that was damaged that needed replacement, etc. And I can tell you that the packaging that Morphe offer is very good. I have taken out also a bunch of the bubble wraps that there was inside this box so that it does not become messy when I'm doing this video. But throughout all my past orders, there was only one time that something arrived broken, because the postal services are not always that delicate, most probably. And I have contacted Morphe the same day that the order arrived. They replied to me that same evening and they offered me either a refund or a replacement of the item. And I can assure you that in 3 days I had the replacement of the item without having to return the broken one. So their customer service was amazing in that case. So far, I have never had any problem or experienced any damages. So let me just remove the packaging, and here I do have 3 items. As you can see, I have 2 eyeshadow palettes and I have a foundation, and I will be explaining about that foundation soon. But before, I want to show you the eyeshadow palette. This is the 25D Oh Boy from Morphe, and I can tell you it's very, very beautiful. You can see. I will have to just remove the plastic because otherwise you will not be able to see the colors very well. And these are the neutrals. So the 25D, it's a neutral colors palette, and I really wanted to have one specifically with the peachy tones, brownish tones in my collection because it's amazing. Let me just try to bring it closer. As you can see, there are a lot of neutral tones that you can mix up. And one thing that I want to say, the camera is actually making some colors become brighter, but these are actually darker than what they are appearing on camera. And if you really want to see this palette, I recommend going on the Morphe website, and there are a lot of pictures of it and the names of every shade, etc. But I am very satisfied that I have got this palette. So the next one is the 18T palette, and it is Truth or Bear. And this is an artistry palette, and let me show you. Again, every palette is wrapped inside bubble wraps, and okay, I'll get out the plastic so I can show you better. Oh my god, look at this. There's the mirror, so I'm not going to open it completely because otherwise the camera will reflect. But these are the shades. Oh my, very, 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 very beautiful shades. There are shimmers, glittery, and there are also a couple of neutral tones. And look at how beautiful that is. And the palette comes with a mirror incorporated, so you can have and create that look without needing any other accessory. So that's the second palette from Morphe, and as you can see, there's just one box over there, and I tell you what happened. So in one of my previous purchases from Morphe, I have got one of these fluidity foundations, and I got the shade F130, and when I tried it out, it was so light in color. On the website, it was appearing quite the good type of shades that I like to use, so it was good for me, and it was very similar to the usual shades that I purchased. But when I got it, it was very light. So whenever this happens to me, I never throw away the foundation. I actually go and purchase a darker shade than the one that I have, and so I can mix it up. So when I am applying the foundation, I would just put some foundation from one bottle and some other from the other bottle, mixing the shades with the beauty blender or sponge, foundation sponge, whatever you use, on my hand, mixing it well, and then I would apply it. So never throw away anything. Just buy a darker shade if you have purchased by mistake lighter shade, mix them up, and it will become good. And yeah, why not? I mean, you are not throwing anything away, and it is a way on how to use makeup at its best. And sometimes, I have created some shades that actually were not available by the company, and I really liked it. So the end result ended up being very good. I do have a bunch of other foundations for which I have applied the same thing, because having purchased quite some foundation over the past weeks online, it happened to me that I have mistaken the shades, especially for those that was a first time that I was purchasing it. So what I've done basically was always getting a darker shade and mixing them up. Like this, you are not going to ever throwing away anything. Just always make good use of your money. So that is something that I would always recommend. So that is what I have got from Morphe. I mean, it was a very small order, but I was very happy to get it. In the past, I have got brushes from Morphe, other makeup, lips, foundations, especially eyeshadow palettes. Morphe is one of my favorite brands, and I really love it. Um, I probably will be doing other orders with them, not right now because I have purchased a lot of makeup, but probably as soon as I see something that I will like or that I think that I need it in my collection, I would be getting it. But for now, these are the three items that I got from Morphe, and I can assure you, Morphe are very good quality, and to be honest with you, even good prices for the great quality that their products are. So, especially for eyeshadow palettes and for lip products, I am extremely satisfied with Morphe products. So, I hope that you have liked this small makeup haul. There are a lot more coming, and I have a lot to show you for makeup for sure. I have also other stuff that I want to share with you. But for this video, this is going to be the end of it, these three products, and I really hope you have liked them. One last note, if you are, I don't know, maybe a makeup artist that you are trying to start your collection, or more simply a woman that likes makeup or a man that likes makeup, whatever that is, I think that having these two palettes is actually a very good starting point. As I said, one is the 25D Oh Boy, and the other one is the 18T Truth or Bare Artistry Palette. So, as usual, I hope you will be coming for more, and until the next video, be sure to take care. Bye.